Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PostgreSQL on Render and manage logs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download PostgreSQL on Render, start by navigating to the Render website. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the Dashboard tab. Select the New button located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose PostgreSQL. Fill out the required details for your database. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your PostgreSQL instance. Select your desired plan based on your needs. Click on the Create Database button to initialize the setup. Wait a moment for Render to provision your PostgreSQL instance. Once provisioned, you will see your database listed on the dashboard. Now, to manage logs, navigate to the database settings. Look for the Logs section on the left sidebar. Click on Logs to access your PostgreSQL logs. You can filter logs by severity or time frame for easier management. To view a specific log entry, click on the desired log entry. Consider enabling query logs if you need detailed query tracking. For more advanced log management, utilize the provided search functionality. This allows you to quickly find specific log entries based on criteria you set. Make sure to regularly check your logs for any anomalies or performance issues. You can also set up alerts for critical log messages if needed. This ensures you stay informed about the health of your PostgreSQL instance. Once you're done, navigate back to the dashboard to continue managing your other services. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded PostgreSQL on Render and learned how to manage logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.